So I was in the garden, or in the yard anyway, and just wanted to show you something. As you can see, it's been trying to clean up out here. I cut my Hawaiian gingers back big time, and you can see the seed pod or the flower pod right there. And I thought, well, let's just see what happens if we get some warm weather like we do in Texas here, because Texas weather is bipolar. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, and right now it's December 11th and it's in the mid-60s. So just wanted to show you something. This is a Hawaiian ginger bloom. And it flowered. It actually survived the cold spell that we had, and now it's warm enough for it to flower. And it is wonderful to smell, and it's a beautiful flower too. That's why I really like Hawaiian gingers, because of the beauty of it and the smell, especially the smell. It will take you to Hawaii when you smell it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. Till next time, this is Central Texas Backyard Homestead. Have a great day.